IS Training is a virtual reality training application developed by the team here at VRMT. We support glass manufacturers all over the world by enabling operators to train on IS machines, all within a safe, virtual environment. We utilize virtual reality to provide a modern and an effective approach to operator training, and while it is possible to train alone, we fully support connecting to your colleagues remotely from any location on the planet to work and train alongside them as if they were stood right next to you. We strive to achieve realistic detail both visually and also functionally to fully immerse users in their environment. Users enter a virtual space that simulates a hot-end production line that is packed full of immersive and interactive features. With a range of section control panels common to the industry, operators have the same control of these sections as they would in the real world. We support the narrow neck press and blow and also the blow processes on our section, and we are looking to expand this in the near future. From the sections and the control panels, all the way to simulating the shears and gob forming process, everything is modelled in high detail to fully immerse users in their training. Interactive features within the application allow you to fully customize the parameters of the production line, right down to the event timings for every movement on each individual section. We support simulating a wide range of faults, and just like in the real world, faults can occur depending on your set parameters. When any faults appear, products begin to be rejected, enabling you to investigate products using various common methods in order to provide remedies to ensure your production line is running as efficiently as possible. Our virtual environment also contains a unique training center that enables instructors and learners to get really up and close with these machines, and due to it being a virtual learning environment, we can do things that aren't possible in the real world, such as providing cross-section views in an instant to reveal further detail. We give you full control over the gob forming process by enabling you to make adjustments to the needle movement, the feeder tube, and the shear action along with the temperature of the glass. We've also added a feature that enables users to take analog control of the simulation, allowing for pausing, forward and reverse movement. This is available both in the training center and also in the hot-end production line. Now, we know that safety is highly important, and we strive to emphasize this in our application. We can provide warnings in the user's virtual space to warn them of any hazardous areas on the production line. And going further, we have full fire simulation and firefighting training features packed into the application. It is possible to put sections under conditions that will cause them to set fire, enabling users to tackle fires in various ways that emulate real-world procedures. VRMT's primary objective is to address the numerous challenges in real-world training today. IS training is a great alternative for organisations that commonly undertake international travel in order to train together, thus having the potential to reduce your overall carbon footprint, and is also a great way to train without any effect on production in the real world. VRMT support the full deployment of IS training within your organisation. So if you would like to get started, or if you have any inquiries, please contact us today.